Okay, so if we just look at the first 5 bars or so, this does need a lot of pedalling, and when I scan the music and send it over, I'll put the pedalling in. The first pedal actually goes with the very first note you play, that B, that low B. So I press the pedal down, then I play the little semi-quaver B, and then I release and change the pedal on the first dotted minim B. So pedal down on the first B, keep it down, then a very quick up down with your foot. After that, you are mainly changing every time a chord changes in the left hand. So if I play the left hand from the first chords, the pedal will be on this first chord, and it stays down. Then you change it again, and then change it again. Up, down, bar 3. Up, down, and again up, down with the G sharp chord, and then up, down, bar 4. Up, down with the natural, up, down with the C sharp, up, down with the C natural, and then up, down. Okay, so that's up to bar 5. The right hand is fairly straightforward to begin with because it's just a single melody. Just going back to the very beginning, notice the fingering. The octave is obviously a thumb to a 5. Then the next B you play with a 4, and you very quickly change it to the third finger. Just watch that again. After that, you should be able to just follow the notes with the fingers that you have available. And then just note that the third finger is remaining on that B natural. And then if I just go to bar 6, then you play the A with the second finger. I'll just go a little bit further. And that's that change to the third finger in bar 8. And I'll stop there. Okay, so going back to the left hand, I'll just go through those chords a little bit slower. The fingering is in the music, but I've written in extra fingering as well, and do really try to stick to that. The fourth finger quite often features at the bottom of the chord, more so than the fifth finger, so try and stick with that. So your first chord then is 1, 2 and 4. Then in bar 2, remember the key signature, use the 5 on the F sharp, take the thumb to the E flat, bar 3, now drop the fifth finger off of the black key onto F natural, drop the thumb down off the E flat to the D. Then in this chord with the G sharp, the fourth finger should be available there, if you can see mine, to play that G sharp. But then in the next bar, bar 4, it changes to the third finger on the G sharp. Drop the third finger from the G sharp to G natural. Take the thumb from the D to the C sharp. Then this is probably the first big shift you've had. I've now got to readjust my fingers. So my fourth finger is on the E, the second finger on the G, and the thumb on the C natural. Then my third finger is going to the key signature note, which is the F sharp. Okay, I'm only going to go there for the chords. All right, so generally practice it really slowly. so on, okay? Because there is a lot to take in. You've got to be very precise with your finger choices, that you're always consistent. The chords need to be executed very neatly each time. And something else I was going to say, the pedalling, of course. The pedalling, you really need to start learning it from the word go as soon as you start learning the music. So there's that to think about as well. So there is lots of coordination involved in this sort of music. So do take it slowly. Just a little tip to remember that whenever you're going forward on a black key with your fifth finger and your thumb particularly, because they are your shortest digits on your hand, you must take the hand forward up here over the black key. Don't sort of angle backwards and forwards like that. Take it over the top of the keys. All right. So I hope you enjoy learning this piece. Until next time. Bye.